Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore how to create deployment diagrams using ChatGPT. If you're ready, let us get started. Assuming you are familiar with logging into ChatGPT, head over to the website and log in using your Google or Microsoft account. Once logged in, you will land on a page like this. Let us write something like, write a complex plant UML code about the web development application and make it appealing and stylish. Once ChatGPT is done writing the code, copy it and go to plantuml.com. Find the deployment diagram. Tap the pencil icon, highlight the existing code and delete it. Now paste the code into the designated area and hit submit. And lo and behold, your deployment diagram is ready. You can right-click on the diagram to save the image or open it in a new page for further analysis. And that's it. That is how to make deployment diagram with ChatGPT. Thank you for tuning in.